Hello, hello, hello again. So yeah, y'all, I lost my mind. Um, I I did a lot of shopping over this last week, and yeah, no more. I'm telling you, this is it. This has got to be it. I will say, this was planned. Hubby and I discussed it. We've been working on, paying off our debt. And last month, May, when we got our check May 1st, we paid off the remainder of our debt. So we don't have any more credit cards. The loans are paid off. No car loan. No, he had a personal line of credit, credit card. Everything's paid off. So when my next paycheck came June 1st, I lost my mind. Like, we didn't have any bills to pay. I mean, we have bills, we don't own a home, we rent. One of the reasons why we paid off all of our debt is we wanted to get in a better place to buy a home. We have, utilities, cell phone bills, but no, like, debt. Oh, I should say that. No debt excluding student loans. And that's a different thing. But every other kind of debt, we just paid off. So yeah, I lost mine a little bit. Did some shopping, and the only thing we planned was this. None of that was planned. So sorry, honey. I'll buy you some golf clubs. Oh, Jesus. Okay, so I'm just going to do an unboxing of everything that I just purchased over the last week. So this is something I've been wanting for a while meaning several months. And they have curbside pickup, so I went ahead and ordered it online. Well, no, I'm sorry, I ordered it over the phone. And this is, let me make sure. Yeah, they did a phone order, so I guess it looks a little different than the normal, receipt. It's not like the normal receipt. So that's my phone order. And then here is my baby. If you guys saw my last Coach store tour, you will likely know what this is. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. I'm happy. I haven't even opened it yet. Let me make sure. What is this on here? Oh, that's just the box, whatever. Oh, that's right. I just, wait a minute. Is that a footprint? Am I on crack? Is that a footprint? That is a footprint. That's a footprint. Huh. See, this is like my sugar shit about nothing. Isn't that looks like a boot, like a boot print? What the? How does it? Okay, I don't know. Let me not focus on this. Let me just take a picture and get a little closer, and then leave that alone. Because as long as the bag doesn't have a boot print on it, I ain't gonna worry about it. I called them and picked it up from them the same day. And so it's not like this could have been sitting in a back somewhere. Whatever. Let me enjoy my unboxing. Alrighty, so here we go. Should be 2 items. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Alright. Surprised by the dust bag, but that's okay. Oh, maybe the other item's inside. Okay. So here we go. Let me put the box over there. I'll move this. Box over there. And oh, this is tied up here. Oh, let me try to take this out. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Ah! I love it. Oh my goodness gracious. This is such a beautiful bag. Oh my gosh, it is mine now. Oh, I absolutely love it. I absolutely love it. Yay. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh, this is awesome. So this is the Coach Emery 21. And, oh, wait a minute. My other item's not in here. And I ordered these dummies. Oh man. So I ordered a bag charm to go along with this, and the bag charm's not in here. So I'm gonna have to call these bad boys. Hold on. I'm gonna have to call them. All right, well, it's just ringing, so I'm gonna try calling them again later. How in the heck I ordered it? Because this just happened today. I just picked this up today because I've been doing phone tag with my normal essay or whatever you want to call it, and she happens to be on vacation today, and so I went ahead and called, got someone else, ordered the bag and the bag charm because they had it set aside for me, paid for it over the phone, and then went to do the curbside pickup. How are you gonna not put it in, y'all? Anyways, I love my bag. I did a closer inspection on it. I love this bag. Oh, I absolutely love it. I can't wait to use the bag. What's this? Oh, is this just, maybe this is just the interior. Yeah, that's just, oh yeah, that's just the pocket inside. So yes, this is the Coach brass, Coach Emery 21, and this one is the brass hardware. I believe it comes also in, so you can get a close-up of what it looks like. Glazing is wonderful. It's this lovely pocket in the front. I love it. Oh, this is a gorgeous bag. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, here's the bottom. Stitching in the same tone. Oh, and yes, I know this definitely gives me vibes of the Hermes. Is it the Evelyn? I don't know, but I don't care. This is beautiful. Look at this beauty. 1941 hang tag. That's why I was saying I was surprised with the dust bag. This is New York, and usually it's the cloth one with 1941 pieces, but who knows? I'll ask about that. That might be something else they messed up besides not including my doggone charm. You see the Coach detailing here, and you see the stitching. I'm saying I have pieces, leather pieces from other high-end designer fashion houses, and I'm sorry, this pebbled leather for the 1941 pieces is definitely comparable. Particularly the LV Empreinte leather. This I think is definitely comparable. So here it is. What it looks like. It's a nice long strap. And oh, let's see on the inside. So you get a little interior look-see. And oh, it looks like I can unbuckle this completely. Can I? Oh yeah, I sure can. So I can take this off completely and put a completely different strap on it. I like that. Let's see what else is in here. Good. See here? Okay, so it has, let's see if I can catch the light. There we go. So it's pocket over there. Pocket there. You can see it's Coach. And then let's see what's on the other side. Is there a pocket on the other side? No. And then I think this is a microfiber. Or maybe it's suede. No. I looked in my eyes. I think it's microfiber. Absolutely beautiful. I love it. And then what does that say in there? Coach. Can y'all read that? No, maybe not. Let's get a Coach. It says Coach New York. And what is that? Y'all have better eyes than me. I can't see it. But then it has what is it? Just a care card inside. So it is definitely a smaller bag, smaller than what I'm used to, but I absolutely love it. Oh, I can't wait to use it. Okay, let me just slip it on right quick. Oh. Okay, so I'm gonna make these two separate unboxings because honestly, I want to try getting in contact with my sales associate because they charge me for it, and I want to make sure I get my bag charm before it's sold out. Or I sell it to someone else, you know what I mean? All right, y'all. This is coming up next. All right, see you soon. Ooh, I love this bag. Okay, bye, you guys. Until next time.